Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Barry Blackman once again, and we're touring some of the businesses in some places in Kenya. And as part of our venture capital, we're here to see the possibilities and opportunities that we provide within our system. Our platform will be able to support if you have a creative idea in a business that is likely to make money. We will be with you and support you. And today, that's exactly what we're doing. Woo.
3 months.
That's Mr. Charles.
Charles Juki.
Charles Njuki, who is a farm manager.
No, farm manager, yes.
International farm manager.
Yes, please. Doing the best of roses, huh?
Wow.
In Kenya.
Man.
So that one is a
Well,
different
Peter.
category from this. These are standards, those are spray roses. But generally spray roses are more expensive. But in terms of single-headed, this is the most expensive.
Whatever they have written.
You heard yourself.
So once then the place condition come, we hit you. It's something that affects the head, called botrytis. So you know what to do. You get on, yeah? You guys had. Yeah, numbers are coming up again, eh? Okay. From yesterday, 107 to the
Oh, the heads are made in one stem.
Spray, yeah.
Wow, spray flowers.
Yeah, different varieties. Huh?
Okay.
From different breeders.
Ah,
Yep.
wow.
And they're becoming very expensive, huh? The spray roses.
Right.
Very high demand.
In the market.
Yeah, in the market. Yes.